In this video, you're going to learn how to write a complete sentence and how to expand a simple sentence to a long, more detailed one. Let's begin! A complete sentence follows two rules. First, it has a subject and a verb. Second, it expresses a complete thought. Let's look at these examples. Julia sings. Andrew walked. They are playing. These sentences have a subject and a verb and have a complete thought. Now take note that not all sentences that have a subject and a verb express a complete thought. Look at this example. Dorothy wants. This sentence has a subject and a verb, but notice it lacks meaning. Dorothy wants what? Now in this case, we must add a complement after the word wants by asking ourselves, what does Dorothy want? We can add a complement by saying, Dorothy wants a bag. Great! Now this sentence follows the two rules in writing a complete sentence. But look, although these examples are already complete sentences, they would sound quite simple and boring when it comes to writing for a college or professional audience. In academic or professional writing, we want to catch our readers' attention, and in order to do that, we must add more detail to our sentences to make it sound interesting. Here's how we do it. To make a sentence longer and more detailed, we can add two things, an adverb or an adjective. To add an adverb, let's use our first sentence. Julia sings. In this sentence, we can add an adverb of place. Julia sings in a concert. Or an adverb of time. Julia sings every Christmas. Or we can add both. Julia sings in a concert every Christmas. We can also add an adverb of manner. Julia sings powerfully in a concert every Christmas. Excellent! Now how about adding an adjective to the sentence? Let's add an adjective before the word Julia. Beautiful Julia sings powerfully in a concert every Christmas. Or we can also add an adjective before the word concert. Beautiful Julia sings powerfully in a renowned concert every Christmas. See? From the simple sentence, Julia sings, now we have a more detailed sentence that sounds more interesting than the previous one, just by adding an adverb and an adjective. In writing, practice makes perfect. So now, I want you to practice by expanding these simple sentences using the method you just learned and see how an adverb or an adjective can magically improve your sentence writing. That's it for today's lesson. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to see more tips on how to improve your writing, whether you're a college student or a professional. See you there!